Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to review a product that is very useful, especially if you are a vlogger or video creator like I am, the Rode VideoMicro. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography and videography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new reviews and tips from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to review the Rode VideoMicro compact on camera microphone for you guys. I bought it 2 years ago from Amazon for rupees of 5049 and it works great. It is, I guess, the cheapest and lightest of all Rode mics. The product comes in this box. Here is the mic stand, and this is the windshield, which is also called dead cat. This reduces any wind noise in the audio. So I take my windshield, attach it to the mic, then attach the mic to the stand. Then I slide the stand down the horseshoe on top of my camera, screw it in place, then take the cord and attach it to the microphone jacket of my camera. That's it, my mic is ready to use. This mic can fit inside my bag very easily, does not occupy a lot of space, and it does not make my camera very heavy also. You can use this mic with any camera that has a microphone jacket. You can use it with your iPhone or iPad if you have a Rode SC7 cable, and I don't think you can use it with Android phones. I couldn't use it with my Android, so I'm not sure if it will work with the new models. And I use it almost all the time for my videos. In fact, I'm using it right now to film this video. Let me show you my setup. I'm shooting against an open window, and there we have a few trees, and beyond that is the main road. So I constantly get background noises of the cars, traffic, birds and whatnot in my footage, and the road helps me to reduce all that background noise. Not eliminate it, it's not foolproof, but definitely reduce it. And you have noticed this is without the mic, and this is with the mic. Huge difference. My mic does not cancel all the background noise but does reduce it to some extent. It's not foolproof, but my volume increases by around 50% and it's great. By the way, the fan is also turned on, so you can see makes a huge difference. Just don't stand very far away from the mic. Try to be within talking distance of the mic and it should work great. The best part about this mic, why I chose this mic over the many high-end mics offered by Rode or any other company, is that this mic does not require batteries to run. It runs on the camera's battery only, but that does not mean it will drain away my camera's battery. No. I have used it for 5-6 hours at a stretch without any problem. A drawback of this mic can be that its windshield is a bit loose, so it may come off if it is very windy or if you move very fast. So I've tried to secure it in place by stitching an elastic to it and attaching it like so. Once I lost the windshield at a busy market area in Ahmedabad. I tried to find it again, but that was not possible, so I lost it. So I vlogged for the remaining of my trip without the windshield. I did get little wind disturbances, but very negligible. Could be removed in post-production, definitely, and it was fine. Let me show you. Let me remove the windshield and show you the difference. See, little background noise may be there, but we are indoors, so I don't know if it will have any effect. But if you are outdoors and it is quite windy, or if you are moving, definitely the windshield, without the windshield, you will get some wind noise. Now I'll put it back. There. So I lost it at Ahmedabad, so I came back home and I felt that I'll just order another windshield of the VideoMicro and that should be it. My work should be done. but I was not able to find any seller who sells only the windshield of the Rode VideoMicro or any mic for that matter. So I had to buy a completely new mic. Now enough indoors, let's go outdoors and test this mic amidst heavy traffic and wind noises. Let's get started. Here guys, I'm outdoors and I'm vlogging, and there are many sounds here of the cars, of a temple. You may be able to hear them, but my mic helps me a lot. You can notice that. I'll show you in the different setups here. So mic test 1 2 3. How do I sound? I'm sure you must have got some idea. Take 2 guys. I'm vlogging without the windshield with the mic attached only. You will be able to see little wind noises, very negligible, but you will be able to notice them. Also I'm vlogging handheld, so as my hand shakes the camera, the mic is also gonna shake and bring some disturbance into my audio. And this is how I test the mic without the windshield. Mic test 1 2 3. So guys, this I'm vlogging without the mic, with only the camera's inbuilt mic. You will see a lot of disturbances here, and my sound volume will also be lower. The mic kind of adds a direction to my voice, so that's why the mic is always better. But you can also use your DSLR as it is. There's no harm in that, but having a mic really helps. So mic test 1 2 3. So guys, this was an honest review of the Rode VideoMicro, and I found this product very useful guys, and I always use it for my videos. And if you found my video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which tutorials you wanna see next on my channel, or if you want me to review any products for you, please leave those suggestions down below guys. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product review. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos everywhere you stay on my channel. Bye.